students, this is Sahana, your teacher for the session. So let's look into the question, urbanization, modernization and its impacts on the depletion of ozone layer. Come. So what is urbanization and modernization? So urbanization is nothing but the process or conversion of rural areas into urban areas. Okay. So what is modernization? That's the transformation that happens from the traditional methods to the newer methods. Okay. So in the question you're asking us what exactly these two processes, that is urbanization and modernization, has their impacts on the depletion of ozone layer. Now before we answer this, let's understand what exactly ozone layer is. Okay. You can compare the ozone layer to an umbrella that we carry maybe during the summer season to protect ourselves from the scorching heat of the sunlight. So just like that umbrella, this particular ozone layer right here, it protects the earth from the harmful UV rays of the sun. You get that? It protects the earth, life on earth, from harmful UV rays of the sunlight. So can you think of where exactly this ozone layer is present? Which layer of the atmosphere? You can look at the image, picture here, and then give me the answer. Are you detecting it? Are you trying to understand this? Yes. So you could see this, the ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. Okay, just like umbrella protects us from the scorching heat of the sunlight. Okay, just like that, the ozone layer protects the earth from the harmful UV rays of the sunlight. Okay, so here they are asking us about ozone depletion. That is just nothing but thinning of the ozone layer. Okay, so you can imagine your umbrella becoming a little thinner, then you understand this, right? So how exactly urbanization, modernization has the impacts on the ozone depletion? Yes. So the chemicals that are so very dangerous, that leads to the depletion of ozone layer, is nothing but CFC. Majorly the CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, that is being used as refrigerants in the refrigerators and in fire extinguishers. So these are very important part of urbanization and modernization. So let's look at how exactly do they impact or affect the thinning of ozone layer, or nothing but the depletion of the ozone layer. So look at this, a simple reaction that happens. The chlorofluorocarbons that are released out, maybe from the fire extinguisher or from the refrigerators, as they are released out into the atmosphere, they reach out the stratosphere and they act onto O3 under the influence of UV radiation. So you can see the CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, under the influence of UV radiation, they act on O3. O3 is nothing but the ozone molecule. Now once they act on O3, they split. Okay, they split the O3 and give us chlorine monoxide and a molecule of oxygen. Okay, so now this chlorine monoxide so formed, it binds to another oxygen atom. Okay, it binds with another oxygen atom, thereby releasing a molecule of oxygen, and another molecule of chlorine, I mean atom of chlorine, is free right there. Okay, now this is very dangerous. This particular highly reactive chlorine atom, it can now go and bind to another ozone molecule, thereby splitting it. So it continues like a chain reaction, leading to the destruction of the ozone layer. So this is the major impact of urbanization and modernization on depletion of the ozone layer. Thank you.